Hello friends, welcome you all on your PD education. So friends, today's notification is related to apprenticeship in Indian Oil Corporation Limited. So watch the video till end for detailed notification. Now before starting the video friends, if you have not subscribed your PD education channel till yet तो अप्लाई कर दो और यहाँ पे जाके आप बेसिकली सब्सक्राइब कर दो इसमें, ओके, एंड बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर देना. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस दिस. हियर यू कैन सी दैट हेयर अप्रेंटिसशिप का यहाँ पे कुछ वैकेंसीज है IOCL के अंदर. नाउ दी डिसिप्लिन, स्टेट एंड पीरियड ऑफ अप्रेंटिसशिप एंड टोटल वैकेंसीज आर गिवन हेयर. लाइक फॉर ट्रेड अप्रेंटिसशिप फिटर 12 मंथ्स का यहाँ पे है एंड टोटल 50 वैकेंसीज आर देयर इन तमिलनाडु एंड पौंडीचेरी लाइक कर्नाटका, केरला. सो accordingly you can see, so total number of I can say vacancies are here 480 or seats we can say. Now this is the reservation criteria that you have to fulfill according to the I can say if you are getting the benefit of this. Now prescribed qualification for discipline code, this fitter metric with 2-year ITI fitter course. Okay, so accordingly you have to see the percentage required, like 45% in case of SC ST or 50% in aggregate general OBC. So accordingly you have to choose. Now the candidate who have undergone apprenticeship earlier or pursuing apprenticeship training in any industry as per the Apprenticeship Act amended from time to time or job experience for period of 1 year or more are not eligible. तो अगर आपने पहले कहीं की है तो then you are not eligible. Okay, apprenticeship application who have complete 3 year after acquiring the prescribed qualification of engagement of technician apprenticeship, that is diploma in engineering or relevant, shall not be eligible. तो आपको 3 साल से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए यहाँ पे ITI किए हुए. ओके, and distance learning not eligible. Candidate having higher professional qualifications such as BE, BTech, MBA, equivalent MCA shall not be considered. Now let's talk about the age limit. Minimum is 18 year, maximum is 24 years. ये कब कैलकुलेट करेंगे? 36/20/21 को. And relaxation 5 year for SC ST and 3 year for OBC, and accordingly you can say selection method very important and training. So as indicated against the respective disciplines we have seen, and the selection shall be based on the performance of candidate on the marks obtained by them in the written exam and meeting notified eligibility criteria. The written exam will connected with the objective type or MCQ. For option 1 is correct. Okay, now here you can see ट्रेड अप्रेंटिसशिप दिस एंड टेक्नीशियन अप्रेंटिसशिप. सो यहाँ पे आपका ये कुछ आने वाला है पेपर के अंदर. टेक्निकल आएगा, एप्टीट्यूड आएगा, रीजनिंग आएगा, इंग्लिश आएगा. सो अकॉर्डिंगली टू योर फील्ड यू हैव टू चूज. नाउ द कैंडिडेट विल हैव टू क्वालिफाई सक्सेसफुली थ्रू ईच स्टेज ऑफ सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, रिटन टेस्ट एंड प्री एंगेजमेंट मेडिकल फिटनेस बीइंग एडजस्टेड. ओके, रिलैक्सेशन वगैरह यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं क्या क्या है, कैसे है. एंड कैंडिडेट एडवाइज to read the full advertisement, educational qualification other, and apply before 28th of August 2021 5 p.m. Now these are the links to apply online I can say, and some important points are highlighted here also, so you can see. Okay, what are the documents required and starting of the starting and last date I can say, verification of documents, important dates to note, and after that checklist of documents required. So this is all about this I can say. Okay, official website ka link here you can see, this is the official link, and here you can see that this is the page. Okay, so document required given here also, dates are given here also, and by just clicking on this apply online and bank moderate form, TA claim form, medical examination of apprenticeship. Okay, so just click on this apply online. So friends, this is all about apprenticeship. If you want more videos on apprenticeship then please mention in the comment section, we will provide that also. Thank you very much.